Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is a quick video on how to install Wi-Fi adapter in Kali Linux. When we install Kali Linux, it doesn't include Wi-Fi adapter driver by default. So we have to do manual installation. If we click on network icon, it shows only wired connection. There is no wireless connection available. We also can verify it through terminal. So go to the terminal and enter command iwconfig. As you can see, there is no wireless extension available. To begin installation, go to your web browser and enter this URL into address bar. I will provide this URL into description. Press enter and it will start downloading. Now we can go back to our terminal and go to downloads. As you can see, driver file is downloaded, but it is zip file. To go further, we switch the user to the super user. So we don't need to use sudo in front of every command. Now we need to unzip it using tar command. Tar command, then it switches and then file name. Press enter. Now we can go again ls. As you can see, it is unzipped, and now we can go to the folder, change directory compact. Enter ls again, and these all the extracted files. Now follow these commands. Then make load. After this command, you can go to network and you can see Wi-Fi adapter is already added here. We also can check with iwconfig command. And you can see Wi-Fi adapter is added here. That's it for this video. Hopefully it was useful to you.